Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour with this split cup. I expect some special split cups soon, but today it's Arteza day. I will try this pack of 8 pearlescent paints, vibrant essentials, non-toxic, and they come in pearl raspberry red, pearl pink, pearl magenta, and these 3 colors I will use today, and pearl royal purple, pearl lilac, pearl arctic blue, pearl sage green, and pearl copper gold. So as I said, I mix these 3: pearl magenta, pearl pink, and pearl raspberry red, and I have a little of my permanent red violet left, and probably I will drizzle my mixture of titanium white and pouring medium and polyurethane satin varnish. Sorry, I was just thinking that I will probably change my mind. And I will start with this pearl pink. And add a little bit of this permanent red violet, and then pearl magenta. I will drizzle a little bit of this white and pearl raspberry red. And a little black, and maybe a little this white to have some gray, maybe, because gray is always nice with pinks. And the rest pearlescent pink again, and permanent red violet, and pearlescent magenta, and a little bit of this white again, and raspberry red, and this will be it. Okay, so I filled these 2 cups with this, and in the middle I will pour just black. And I will go for I will not spin my table today. I will just try to do kind of a traveling straight pour. because I already see a tree. Sorry guys. I will do some swipes. I will torch this a little bit first, because I see a lot of air bubbles. I will just grab some card and add a little of titanium white mixed with Australian floetrol. Okay, I think I'm done. I will just try to fix just this part a little bit. Because it bothers me. Okay, so this is what I ended up with, kind of, I don't know, wicked trees into some purple magic wood or something, and so many gorgeous details. And this looks, you see, that you have I don't know, I like it, I really do, and the colors are beautiful, and because of all these pearls, Arteza pearl paints, they will dry shimmery. And I have to say that I am really happy with this one. So tell me in the comments what you think about this painting, and if you want me to play a little more with some similar, I will say, techniques. So this is it, and see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, forget to tell you, you have links to Arteza in my products in my description box. Bye.